One, two, three.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video, Darius RA project. So good news, earlier today I did take off this front bumper because it finally sold on eBay. I did put the OEM front hood and front bumper, so I did take off the front bumper earlier today, which is really great news because it sold for like something like $1,000, and I put the hood up for $1,500 because, as you know, the OEM parts are worth a good amount of money if they're in good condition, because I'm working with a designer that's for like a wrap company, and basically the scaling has to be all right for the hood, for the door piece, and he will be creating a 3D model, so I will be able to show you that, guys, once that's done. But that will be printed, so hopefully, like I said, within two to 3 weeks we will have the full Darius livery wrapped on this R8. But before we can do that, I have to put on the full wide body kit and everything like that. As you know, the front hood piece, this is what we'll be replacing it. It is all carbon, as you can see. And it has a really aggressive waterfall vent right there. I would flip this over for you guys, but I'll just do it later. But the thing is, by the looks of it, this hood did fly open on the guy, and that's why he took it off. Which is kind of scary because I'm trying to figure out why it flew open, because the holes where the mounts aren't stripped, the holes where the latch bolts into aren't stripped, so I'm not really sure. But I will most likely be ordering those arrow catch latches that we ran on the M3 that go right here. Most of this video is just going to be me working on the car because, as you guys know, the audio absolutely sucks on this GoPro. I am picking up a camera within the next week to have better sound, and obviously it's time for me to invest in you guys and actually, improve production quality. But enjoy this video. It's just going to be me fixing the hood. It's going to be me probably putting it on the flares. So guys, as you can see, I attached the flare. Already primered this, as you guys saw in video, fixed the corners basically pretty well. Here, there's just primered black, simple. But I did attach the flare by putting the self-tappers through the back. And it's on there firm. So I'm gonna go take this outside, give this a nice bath first. Then Rachel's gonna help me take the OEM hood off and put this one on. Thanks so much for watching this video. This was a little bit different than my normal videos. I wanted to give a little bit more meaning to you, Need for Speed fans. Obviously by the music, first of all. I realized that original soundtrack music for most of the Need for Speed games is not copyrighted, so that's really, really, really great to hear, because that means I can use all those songs and those menu songs that, quite honestly, I literally have drilled into my brain now while working on the car, while driving, and put in the background of my videos. But thank you so much for the support. I hope you guys are really excited for the Darius R8 LeMans Quattro project. Hopefully, as I said in the video, 2 to 3 weeks it will be wrapped in the livery, and then after that we can worry about lowering it, what wing we're going to run, what wheels we're going to get, etc., etc. I just really wanted to get the body kit on. There is some fine tweaking left on the body kit. As you guys saw, I did not fully put on the rear bumper. I will be doing that soon. I'm missing a few pieces that I need to go out and get. And there's also these little kind of arch things that go underneath the front flares that weren't on in this video as well. Please give the video a great big like, because of course it helps it get a lot of views, which helps me build these types of cars. And please do, if you aren't already subscribed, consider subscribing, because we're very close to 100,000 subscribers, and possibly at like the next milestone of subscribers, maybe like 200, 250,000, I will do another big Need for Speed car. I'm really not sure what. Still, the S2000 is for sale, so possibly you know, another car. Probably what I'd be leaning towards the most is Cross's Corvette, but that's just, you know, this is months into the future. For now, I just want to enjoy the Audi, of course. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.
The keys are in the car.